Hello, hello, hello. This is your girl, Sister Moniz. And as always, thank you for stopping by. It is always a pleasure when you stopping by, when you like and share my video, when you watch it always today. And this video today is about chicken barbecue that it is already clean. I take all the fat off, and now I rinse it out with my hot water, and this is all my spice that I'm using, my dry ingredient, honey mustard and Haitian epis. So now I put it on this bowl with all those dry epis, onion, black pepper, and I put a little bit oils on it. So this is the lemon juice that I'm using, and mix it together. Don't forget to put 1 tablespoon of honey mustard on it. The honey mustard make the chicken soft and very tasty too. So, and then after I mix everything, after I add the honey mustard, so now it's time to add all my chicken who's already clean and rinsed with the hot water. As you know, if you watch my video before, I usually use hot water with lemon and all the spice to rinse my meat. But it's up to you. If you don't want to do that, it's up to you. But do you, okay? Just like I'm doing me right now. I'm doing it for my family. I'm doing me the way I like it. So this is the chicken. Yes, and I do not over seasoning my chicken because I have more to add to it, and I let it stay. I let it stay for like about 1 hour, but you can even do it overnight too. The longer you leave your meat, the better it tastes. Okay, but I didn't have much time. I just have to do it the same day. All right, family. Now this is the spice time, bukegani, onions that I'm going to use to give more flavor to my chicken. Now it's time for me to cook the chicken, not overcook it. So let it cook, not overcook. And then I can let it cook for about 15 minutes. And I'm gonna cover it. But before I do that, I'm going to add my spice, onions, bukegani, hot peppers, garlic clove. So, yeah, this is so easy to make. And let me know, family, if you try it. Go ahead and try it that way, and you see it's much easy to do chicken barbecue. Don't just put it under the stove. And here you go. After I check it, and I put the celery on it too. Carrots. I love putting carrots on my stuff. Carrot is healthy, so I love to use it on my meat. I love to use onions. So, and now in this pan I put onions, and now I'm putting the chicken so I can put it under the oven, and I'm going to put the barbecue sauce before put it to the oven. But this chicken, I'm going to make it 2 pan. One of them gonna be sweet and one of them not gonna be sweet. But you're gonna see the one who's only sweet, because mine is not gonna be sweet, but my kids love it that way. I do it for my kids. So yes, and then I mix it. This is the gravy sauce, the chicken sauce that I have, and I put some 1 spoon of honey mustard on it. So yes, and then you already know this chicken gonna be so good, and my kids will have a good time when they eat that chicken. And let me know once again if you try it, and share your idea with me, which one you prefer, if you prefer it that way, because this one is more simple. When you cook it, you can already taste it. And now after it's cooked, I let it cool under the oven for about 30 minutes, And now here you go. This is my barbecue chicken. So let me know, family, how did you like it? And I just leave my carrots on it. So tasty. And you're gonna see how my kids eat it. They're gonna eat it with some pasta. Very good. And do not forget, family, if you make it this way, that means you like it. Like it and share it. Put your thumbs up for me so you can help me grow this channel, family. It's only you who can help me grow this channel. And watch the video for this macaroni. Bye.